Hello everyone, my name is Rinku, working as an assistant professor in Department of Management in RPIT Technical and Medical Campus. So today we are discussing about the topic that is physical distribution management. Physical distribution management is actually handling and moving of the goods within the individually for and the along channel systems. Physical distribution is responsible for the delivering to the customer what is want to on the time at minimum cost. The objective of distribution management is design and operate a distribution system, then attain the required level of the customer services and the does so at the at least cost. Characteristics of physical distribution. First one, physical distribution is science and logistic. An important element of the distribution system and any organization. Types: physical supply, goods moving from the supply to manufacturer, inbound. Physical supply, physical distribution, goods move from the manufacturer to customer, outbound. Physical distribution, dominate flow of the production and services, dominate flow of the demand and design information. First one, supplier, physical supply, manufacturer, manufacturing and planning and control, distribution system, physical distribution management, and last one, customer satisfaction. Objective is customer satisfaction. Activity in physical distribution. First one, transportation, in the involve various methods of the moving goods outside of the firm buildings. Second one, distribution inventory, in including all the finishing goods inventory at any point of the distribution system. Third one, material handling, it is a movement of the storage goods inside of the distance center. Fourth one, packaging, goods moving a distribution system must be contained, protect and identified in packaging. Outdoor processing, in including all activity needed or to fill customer orders. Channel of distribution, a channel of distribution is a one or more company for individual who participate in the flow of the goods or services from the producer to the final customer. Types: first one, company many any deliver directly to consumer, use another company or individual to deliver the goods. Third one, intermediator, intermediate like wholesaler, agent, transportation companies and warehouses. Objective physical distribution. First one, total cost or total cost concept, reduce the total cost concept. Second one, customer services concept. First one, timely, dependability, communication, convenience and accurate. Third one, distribution cost services trade offs, achieve right balance between them in the distribution management, handling and moving the goods. Second one, flexibility, in the important of the balancing of the cost and services in the management and physical flow of the product and thereby the establishment and the operation of the flow system. Order processing. First one, verify customer credibility. Second one, checking from any outstanding payment. Third one, monitoring stock level. Fourth one, preparing invoice. Fifth one, arranging the transporter. Sixth one, sending of the consignment and the information. First one, transportation. Transportation bring together the raw material from the production of the marketable commodity and distribution of the product industry of the marketplace. Factor: suitability, nature of a product, affordability, availability and specify and the company transportation model. Second one, warehousing. Warehousing including the plants warehousing, regional warehousing and local warehousing. There are service function of the warehousing performed can be classified into two kinds: general warehousing and distribution warehousing. General warehousing, where the goods are stored by the long period and whereby the prime purpose to be protect goods until at the needs. Distribution warehousing, thereby the dynamic purpose and mixing. Goods are receiving a large volume unfavorable loss of the store, brief of the broken down into small individual order. Role of warehouse: transportation, consideration, product mixing and services. Third one, packaging. The basic role of packaging in any individual industry is to carry out the goods safely through the distribution system to the customer. The package must be followed. First one, identify the product. Second one, contain and protect the product. Third one, contribute the physical distribution efficiently. Role: protect the product consumer against the stock, comparison, variation, moisture, hurt, solar radiation, animals and bacteria, etc. Last, material handling. Material handling is the short distance moving of the taken by the place around a building, such as a plant or distribution center. Mainly objective to increase cube utilization by using the height of the building and by reducing a space. Second one, to move operating in the efficiently by the reducing handling. And third one, the improve the services level of increasing the speed of the response to customer needs. Types conventional industrial trucks, cannons, and hostage. Basically, physical distribution management is distribution is science of logistics. In most important element of the distribution any organization. Thank you.